Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin is currently trading at $95,630 after dipping below $95,000 earlier today, marking its lowest level since May. The sell-off triggered over $1.2 billion in liquidations, with longs getting crushed as the market searches for support. The big debate right now: are we in a bear market? Bitcoin has dropped 24% from its October peak of $126,000. Technical indicators are flashing warning signs, including a death cross formation and weakening on-chain metrics. However, crypto quant analysts suggest this looks more like a mid-cycle correction rather than a full macro bear market. The real test comes at the $93,000 to $97,000 zone, where whales have been spotted placing massive bid walls totaling 2,800 Bitcoin on Binance futures. In a historic first, the Czech National Bank quietly acquired approximately $1 million in Bitcoin for a test portfolio. This makes them the first EU central bank to actually hold Bitcoin, despite ECB President Christine Lagarde's earlier statements against reserve inclusion. While the CNB emphasizes this doesn't signal a policy shift, the infrastructure they're building for custody and compliance introduces what analysts call a sovereign option premium to Bitcoin's valuation. Michael Saylor shut down rumors that Strategy was selling Bitcoin, appearing on CNBC to confirm the company is actually accelerating purchases. He promised to report new buys on Monday, emphasizing that Strategy could withstand an 80% Bitcoin drop and still remain over-collateralized. The company holds over 641,000 Bitcoin valued at approximately $22.5 billion, though the stock has fallen 35% year-to-date as its market cap dipped below its Bitcoin holdings value. Ethereum is trading at $3,148, down 11% this week. Long-term holders who've held for 3 to 10 years are selling at the fastest pace since February 2021, moving an average of 45,000 ETH daily. Spot Ethereum ETFs saw $1.4 billion in outflows since late October, with Thursday alone recording $260 million in exits. Grayscale's IPO filing revealed revenue declined 20% to $318.7 million for the 9 months ended September 30th. The crypto asset manager is pursuing a New York Stock Exchange listing under ticker GRAY, with Digital Currency Group retaining voting control through super voting shares. BlackRock's $2.5 billion Buidel fund expanded to Binance and BNB Chain, allowing institutional traders to use the tokenized treasury fund as collateral. This integration with the world's largest exchange marks another step in bringing traditional finance rails onto blockchain infrastructure. Looking at the technical picture, analysts warn Solana faces an air gap with no major support until $24 after breaking below $144. XRP, despite launching its first US spot ETF this week, dropped 7% as the broader market weakness weighed on all altcoins. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.